To start earning rewards, simply find the Appliance knob collection and annotation task and click the Contribute button to get started. Before you begin, make sure to review the guidelines carefully. Your photos should be clear, front-facing, and non-AI generated to meet our quality standards. Step 1. Upload a clear image of the knob by clicking the Upload area. Make sure the knob is centered and the scale markings are visible. Step 2. Next, annotate the knob outline. Click the red rectangle in the image below to activate it. Once it turns green, adjust its position and size to perfectly frame the outer contour of the knob. Step 3. For the pointer position, drag the brown dot to the exact tip of the knob's pointer to indicate its current setting. Step 4. Fill in the scale value by typing in the exact value indicated by the pointer, such as wash dry 60, as shown in the uploaded photo. Once you've completed your task, review the expert redline behaviors to ensure your submission is honest and original, helping you maintain your expert standing. Finally, click Submit. Your data will be reviewed, and you'll receive an immediate notification with points once your upload is successfully processed. Congratulations! You've just contributed to the frontier.